So hey guys, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is set to be released less than a month from now, but before that the Galaxy Watch 6 Classics with rotating bezel has been spotted on the wrist of the South Korean football player named Son Heung-min. One of the biggest factors that have made the Galaxy Watch 6 so exciting is the return of the rotating bezel. The classic variant of the Galaxy Watch 4 was the last to include this feature. It came as such a natural and user-friendly mechanism that was sadly missed in Samsung's latest Galaxy Watch attempt. Leaked renders and marketing photos are one thing, but real-world photos of the device give a much better look. On a first look, it appears that the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a considerably slimmer bezels that encases a pretty huge screen. The dimensions are sleek and the blackout color options featured in this picture look good. You know, there isn't any hard evidence to support the ideas of a large screen or slimmer bezels, but the picture does suggest something along those lines. The picture also seems to verify that the bezel of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is indeed slimmer than previous model. The Watch 6 Classic comes in black, but the smartwatch should be available in at least one more color option, that is silver. The new smartwatch will ship with the Wear OS 4 based on One UI Watch 5 update, which focus on improving health and fitness tracking with improved accuracy and more watch tools. Samsung may end up dropping Pro branding and sticking with the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, with the latter including the rotating bezel. We have been waiting to see it again as it stands. Samsung is likely to announce the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic later this month. By the way, the good news is Samsung has to open its pre-reserve offers for the new foldables Watch 6 and Tab S9. You can get $50 for free just by reserving either of the devices, and when you make a purchase from July 26 onwards, you will get an instant $50 credit. The link to the offer is in description. So what do you guys think about this real life look of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 Classic? Let me know in the comments down below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.